ciao thengia yacio gukorwo citakinyaniirie ikero cia kunyiterera mathomo ma gikiro kia maumirera mao na arutani aria matongoretio ni mwarimu munene niwe wikaine ta Ngesa cukuru-ini wa airitu wa Kieni mahoete gwakiririo irathi mahoete gukorwo magiakirwo irathi cia kiriu kuona tuire na irathi iria cia tene nayo namba ya arutwo ni yongererekete na gikiro kia iguru na kuona cia korirwo ikihingurirwo o mwaka-ini wa 1960.
With the population, the current dormitories are full. In fact, I have about 70 girls who are sleeping in a makeshift dorm. But we say, what matters is our brains, not the other things. That's why these girls can afford to shine and smile today. Promoters of girls' child education in this forum to add to this list and pledge awards to encourage performance. That's the challenge I'm giving, especially those who are seated behind me. Suppose we have a 3-co award, for example. Suppose we have a Dr. Joka award for whatever they may want to encourage these girls. We shall really appreciate.
These girls are requesting their elder sister, Honorable Cecily Mbariga, to plan one day, come and hold their hands, take them to State House to say hi to their father. And they believe all their problems will be over.
You have been told about the infrastructure issues that we have, and I like Madam Gesa, she has said, it is not about the infrastructure. It is about what we do with the little that we have. It is about the attitude that we have about education.
Na tugitigana na